What's that?
Don't worry, mountain man. It's just me.
What are you doing here?
Thought it'd be nice to walk the hill. You know, it'd be nicer. Give me a ride back down.
Sure.
This is where I was gonna take you for that picnic. How'd you know about it?
I found Lucy's diary. It's quiet and perfect. The one place I feel peaceful and can think about the big questions.
This is the place all the folks around here come for answers.
Oh, nothing but time and places to think around here. Great places, sure. But no Starbucks. No indoor plumbing.
Oh, yeah? You know what else they don't have in this town? Crime, traffic, buses to put your face on.
If I could just get that old man to sit down with me for an hour, just to find out what happened. It isn't like I want anything from him. I don't need a father. I had a father, and he's nothing like my father was. My dad was a great person. Everyone looked up to him.
And your mom?
My mom? She's amazing. She does everything for me, for everybody. And her sugar cookies, oh, you haven't lived till you had one of my mom's sugar cookies. Yeah, I miss her. Maybe the answers for me aren't even up here at all. Maybe the answers for me are hopping on the next plane back to civilization.
You know, the thing about Lucy is she didn't always win the race. But she never quit. Maybe you need to finish what you started, mountain man.
Oh, that's cool. That's scary.
You are such a city boy.